Welcome to our video about natural antifungal treatment. Lemongrass oil is an effective natural antifungal treatment. Lemongrass oil has strong antimicrobial properties. Apply it 2 times daily to the affected area. Mix lemongrass oil with carrier oil and dab the mixture on the affected skin. Wear loose clothes, as tight clothes tend to hold fungal spores and are also conducive to fungal infection. Wear clothes made of breathable cotton to avoid fungal infections. Oregano oil. A study conducted on the antibacterial properties of oregano oil has shown that it is effective against 5 common bacteria, including E. coli and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Because of this, it could potentially play a role in the prevention of food poisoning and other health issues related to the gastrointestinal tract. However, more studies are needed to confirm these benefits. Although oregano oil has antimicrobial properties, it is potentially toxic to humans and can be lethal in large doses. As with any natural ingredient, use oregano oil sparingly and seek medical advice before undergoing a course of treatment. Those with sensitive skin should be careful, however. Before starting an oregano oil treatment, always patch test it first. This is especially true if you suffer from any type of sensitivity to herbs. Some studies have also suggested that oregano oil can inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells. However, these results have not been validated by clinical trials and are based on animal and test tube studies. It is therefore important to view these studies cautiously. It is also important to note that oregano oil must be taken with carrier oil and should not be consumed internally. Because oregano oil contains a natural antifungal, it can be absorbed through the skin. Tea tree oil. Recent studies on the antifungal activity of tea tree oil are promising for its use as a natural treatment for a range of dermatophytes and filamentous fungi. These studies used both in vitro and in vivo methods to evaluate the antifungal effects of tea tree oil. In the present study, we describe the mechanisms by which tea tree oil inhibits and kills fungi. Our findings could be important for the development of tea tree oil therapies or for the discovery of new antifungal drugs. A 1999 study showed that tea tree oil could manage the infection of patients with nail fungus, compared to standard medication. However, there are a number of side effects to consider when using tea tree oil as a treatment for toenail fungus. It's important to remember that tea tree oil contains a powerful compound called cymene, which is responsible for the antifungal properties of the oil. Moreover, tea tree oil can treat athlete's foot, a fungal infection characterized by red, itchy, scaly areas and itching. Its antiseptic and antiviral properties make it a good topical treatment for minor cuts and wounds. It can even be applied directly to toenail fungus to reduce its symptoms. These antifungal properties of tea tree oil have made it a popular choice for the treatment of many fungi-related conditions. Neem oil. You may have heard about the benefits of neem oil as a natural antifungal treatment. It comes from the seeds of a native Indian tree, and it is organic and biodegradable. In fact, the EPA found that neem oil is completely safe for the U.S. population. It is extracted from the crushed seeds of the neem tree, and its active compounds vary according to the processing method. Some products are cold-pressed, while others are solvent-based. In one study, neem leaf extract inhibited the growth of several sex-pathogenic fungi, including the 4 species of aspergillus that cause aspergillosis and candidiasis. The aqueous extract inhibited the growth of mycelial fungi, and the maximum activity was observed at a concentration of 20%. When applying neem oil as a natural antifungal treatment, you should keep in mind that it can damage some plants if used in excessive quantities. To avoid this, you should apply a small amount to a test area. This way, you can determine whether you have caused damage to your plants. Neem oil is most commonly harmful to plants in hot weather, recent transplants, and stressed plants. Before applying neem oil to your plants, test it on a small portion of the plant to see if it affects the leaves. Flowers are most affected by neem, but vegetables can be treated up to a day before harvest. Aloe vera. The benefits of aloe vera as a natural antifungal treatment are numerous. Aloe contains several hundred active compounds and 75 nutrients, including anthraquinones, saponins, enzymes, minerals, and phenolic compounds. These substances are present in 2 parts of the aloe, the leaf and the gel. Each part has different medicinal values. Aloe helps to fight fungi, bacteria, and viruses. It also helps to maintain the immune system, as the aloe leaf contains polysaccharides, which are powerful antioxidants. Its anti-inflammatory properties are also beneficial for people who suffer from digestive issues. According to Kelly Morrow, a core faculty member at Bastyr University, aloe vera has antibacterial and antifungal properties. For example, the antifungal properties of the plant's polysaccharides help to promote healthy bacteria in the digestive system. In addition, it also loosens toxins in the body and fights infections. It is essential to remember that aloe gel is made from the inner fillet and not the outer rind. Most commercial aloe gels are not infused with aloe latex or rind. Some even use carrageenan as a thickening agent, which is suspected to cause digestive problems. It is best to purchase the gel fresh, as its potency diminishes rapidly after it has been harvested. Turmeric. There are many ways to treat fungal infections, including the application of turmeric paste to the affected area. Curcumin is an active component in turmeric, and numerous studies have highlighted its antimicrobial properties. You can apply turmeric as a topical paste to affected areas or consume it as tea. Be aware, however, that turmeric may stain lighter-skinned people yellow. If this happens, the color will disappear within a few days. Another herb that has a history of antifungal properties is licorice. Licorice has antiviral and antifungal properties and can be used for the same purpose. Turmeric is an effective natural antifungal. It inhibits the growth of the Candida albicans yeast. You can mix turmeric with water to form a paste. Apply the paste to the affected area and leave it until it dries. You can also drink turmeric tea or water to boost your immune system and treat fungal infections. If you have a Candida infection, turmeric paste can help fight it off and prevent its return. Another natural antifungal treatment is coconut oil. This essential oil contains strong antifungals that can kill the fungus and prevent it from spreading. Coconut oil has antifungal properties and can be applied topically to the affected area. Taking this oil daily can help treat ringworm on your scalp, and it is easy on the skin. A natural ointment made of coconut oil is highly effective against Candida albicans and can be used to treat scalp ringworm. Lemongrass. There are many health benefits of lemongrass oil. It can help with joint and muscle pain and is a natural insect repellent. Lemongrass has many beneficial properties, including antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Lemongrass can also be applied topically to the affected area for relief from headaches, arthritis, and digestive problems. Its citrusy aroma can improve moods and ease digestive problems. Lemongrass oil can also be applied to wounds and is a good antiseptic. While lemongrass is used as a medicine in traditional cultures, scientific evidence is limited. It has been used as a flavoring agent in food and beverages and aromatherapy. Although it is largely unregulated, limited clinical studies suggest it has antifungal, insecticidal, and anticarcinogenic properties. Lemongrass has also been found to have hypotensive and hypoglycemic effects, but there is no reliable information on its safety in pregnancy. A study conducted on mice has shown that lemongrass can reduce the risk of ulcers in mice. Additionally, it can prevent gastric ulcers. Its anti-inflammatory properties have made it popular as an herbal mouthwash. People also use lemongrass as a natural remedy for diarrhea and gastric upsets. While the use of lemongrass is not yet a scientifically proven treatment, it is an effective remedy for many common health conditions. Licorice. In folk medicine, Glycyrrhiza species have been used as a natural antifungal remedy. Some studies have reported that licorice may have anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor effects. However, it is not clear if licorice has these properties. The licorice root contains an antioxidant called glabridin, which has been shown to reduce fatigue and increase glycogen levels in the body. The plant's antifungal properties are likely attributed to glucosamine and glabridin, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor effects. Further clinical research is necessary to prove its safety and effectiveness. Studies have shown that licorice inhibits the production of ahomolysine from Staphylococcus aureus, a common cause of infection and inflammation. Liquiritaginine may help develop drugs that target staphylococcal ahomolysine. Licorice is also rich in polyphenols, such as clabardin and liquiritiginine, which are known to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. A licorice extract contains a range of compounds, including sugars, starch, essential oils, tannins, and inorganic salts. Licorice contains low levels of nitrogenous constituents, proteins, amino acids, and nucleic acids. Zhang and Yi report that there are over 400 compounds in the Glycyrrhiza species. These include flavonoids and triterpene saponins. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.